Hi, this is an LED, so you can tell which one's positive and negative. This one's positive because it's longer, this one's negative because it's shorter. And you can tell like plus is like add more, and then minus means like take away, so take it. And these are some wires, and then this one's positive because it's red, this one's negative because it's black. And then this, I'm going to show you how to use strippers. So there's you can cut with that, and then you can strip with those. So first strip, go like and go like, and you have to like pull it off.
You need some help?
Yeah. Then you pull it off like that. Now it's the wire inside.
What do you do next?
You twist it.
That's probably pretty good.
And then you do the same with the black one. And then it's making this one now like this, like we're gonna solder it right now. So. Oh yeah, and then to make the light go on like that, you just like get these, like, and tie the red one like twist it around the long one. So,
and we've already done that on this one that you're getting ready to solder now?
Yeah.
So tell me, how are you going to solder this one?
So I'm going to use a soldering tool to...
Where's the hot part of that solder?
There.
The entire piece of it?
The blue and up.
What happens if that fat part touches something?
It melts.
Do you have any examples?
Yes. This.
Oh, so we probably shouldn't let that part touch those. Gotcha.
So now...
You know where your solder is? There you
Yeah.
go. Okay.
Get this.
You gonna put a little bit of solder on your tip? Just to get it started. Okay, that looks good. Now what else should you avoid touching with that tip?
The LED lights and the wires.
The shielding on the wires, right?
Yeah.
So where are you gonna apply your heat? Right at the joint, right underneath it, right?
I'm gonna move. Okay.
Yeah, you often have to adjust your work when you're doing it, so don't be afraid to move things around.
Huh.
You gotta let it get a little bit of heat into that wire before you put that solder on there, so make sure you're touching it pretty good. Watch those fingers. How's it look? That looks pretty good. You gonna do the red one?
Yeah.
All right. Try to go from underneath with your soldering iron. There you go. But don't touch that black wire. How's that look? That looks good. Yeah, I think that's all you need. So we got a few more of these to make, right?
Yeah.
All right. Anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, and then, yeah, we're also gonna like put them in like, we're gonna bend one of these to make it look like a lamppost. So, yeah, that's how you make a light.
Now we're still gonna put the shrink wrap on there,
Yeah,
right, and
and
clip the leads.
I'm gonna let's see if it works.
Okay.
Hope I got it right this time. 'Cause last time I switched them around.
And did it light?
No. We had to put the black one in the plus.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you hold batteries.
Yeah.
All right, here you go.
Can't hold them. Watch the light.
Where's the light? There it is.
What?
All right, hang on. Here we go. Okay, we're ready to go. Ah, good test. We got it. All right.
Yeah, and that's how you make a light.